Hello everyone! Start off by cutting a circular sheet of white paper and then take some brown clay and spread it at the bottom as shown. Take some peanut shells and break them and stick them on the bottom. This will add texture to your art and craft piece. Then take some peanut shells once again and add it in the shape of a flower and add center as yellow to make the flower center. Also add a stem as well as a leaf to these. Add some ants and color it in any color you want. For our next craft, take some glue. We would also require some clay. Make multiple small balls of clay and stick it on the white sheet of paper to form the body of the flamingo. Also add a head and add detail to the tail and draw the legs. Some green clay to make the grass at the bottom and stick some flowers. For our next craft, take some leaf and stick it at the bottom of your page, and then take a yellow leaf, cut it out in the form of a snail's body, and then add eyes as such as well as the shell. Add some sun as well as some grass and clouds. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of paper, cut out a bark of a tree out of brown paper, and then add the details and the patterns that a tree normally has. Take strips of green paper and twirl it around as shown above to form the branches and the leaves of the tree. You can also add some apples now. Thank you for watching.